In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to Microsoft Teams and send an automated channel message. We'll pick up inside an existing n8n workflow. To start, add the Microsoft Teams node. Click Add Node, search for Microsoft Teams, and drop it into your workflow canvas. This node is what allows n8n to talk to your Teams environment, so every action you choose later, like posting a message or creating a channel, will run through this connection. Next, create a new credential inside the Microsoft Teams node. Click Create New Credential, and you'll be prompted to connect a Microsoft account. Sign in using your Microsoft 365 work or school account, ideally the one that already has access to the teams and channels you plan to use. If your organization uses multiple tenants, make sure you select the correct one during sign-in to avoid permission issues later. After signing in, authorize the connection so n8n can access your Microsoft Teams workspace. You'll see a permissions prompt. Allow it, and the credential will be saved automatically. From this point on, your n8n workflow can communicate with Teams using that credential, and you can reuse it in other Microsoft Teams nodes within the same project to keep things consistent. Now choose an action. In the node's operation field, you'll find options such as sending a message, creating a channel, getting team information, or posting notifications. For this walkthrough, select Send Message so we can post directly to a channel. This is a quick way to verify that your connection works end-to-end. Select the specific team and channel where the message should appear. Use the drop-downs to pick the correct workspace and destination. Then type the message you want to send. For example, you can write, "Hello team, this message was sent automatically from n8n." Keep your message clear and concise. If you plan to reuse this workflow, consider wording that makes sense in multiple contexts. You can also incorporate dynamic values later using expressions, but a plain text message is perfect for testing. Finally, test the workflow. Click Execute Workflow. If everything is set up correctly, your message will appear in Microsoft Teams almost instantly. If it doesn't show up, double-check that you selected the right team and channel, confirm that your credential is authorized, and ensure your account has permission to post in that channel. That's it. Your automation is now connected and ready to send messages to Microsoft Teams automatically.